Hi.
Oh man, you know the bags are back.
What bags?
I got rid of these. See, there's a video of me in September of last year where I have monster baggy eyes, and look it up on YouTube, kids. Where I have like these really baggy eyes and a really puffed up face. I was in such bad shape, and I was gonna do this after video where I show how I've so improved. And look, it's a year later, and everything's awesome. And then last week happened, and my bags are back. Damn it. I swear they were gone. My skin was so much better. The bags were gone.
She was a lot better.
I was losing weight. I was a much nicer person.
She was the nicest person on planet Earth.
Until a couple days ago, and then...
Until the stupid real estate people.
Let's not get into details, because someday we're... Oh, wait, we have a guest.
Yes,
Hey.
we have a small cat.
Hello, Santi.
She's just smelling whatever the heck this
We're
is.
checking out our new toy, because this is the last Lego of them all. We've been through, let's see, we went through all the Technics.
Actually, this is actually the second one. The other one is a teeny little Mini Cooper that I have upstairs in my room. I love it.
Yeah, this one, this big, size of a little Hot Wheel, and
It's
he
right-
liked it too.
It's right next to the piston head I got for my birthday. The real piston head from a Honda. Thank you, Honda dealer, for giving
That's
that
right.
for my birthday.
Yesterday, when our tires gave in at the Honda dealer, they remembered Hector from the previous visit. Apparently, he left quite an impression on the folks at Honda, and they brought a gentleman in who, what does he do for a living?
He fixes cars and planes.
Not just any planes.
Military planes, specifically ones from World War II.
And they said, come, we want your kid to meet this guy. And then that's the guy who gave my son the gift of...
Let's see.
the piston, right?
The piston head from a Honda Civic Si, or the performance model that they have.
And never have you seen such a grateful human being for a piston.
This is why I'm gonna miss Georgia, the hospitality. I have to say.
Southern hospitality. Well, quick tour of my Game of Thrones inspired dining room. Try not to get dizzy, folks, because...
The thing's pretty big.
Yay. Da-da-da-da.
And I'm gonna use my new stabby knife to open these bags.
Yay, stabby knife. So, just for a couple hours, I'm going to let him enjoy, and then... Packing slave.
Yeah, thanks, Mom.
Love you too, son. Bye, kitty.